Hello everyone. Good afternoon. On behalf of Reunite Survivor OFW Malaysia, I would like to welcome to you all to this very special occasion, the 7 years anniversary of our group and a search for Miss Reunite OFW Survivor Malaysia 2025. Hindi po biro magarating sa 7 taon ng pagkakaisa, pagtutulungan at serbisyo sa ating komunidad. Kaya naman ngayong araw, we celebrate not only our achievement but also the strong bond that keeps us together as one family abroad. We also give special thanks to our founding officer, past and present leaders, members, sponsor, and partner. Salamat po sa inyong walang sawang suporta at dedikasyon. A warm welcome din po sa mga VIP guests, MWOOA, Welfare Officers Ma'am Rosana Siray, UNIFIL community leaders at mga bisita. Your presence truly makes this day more meaningful and memorable. At syempre, today is also about showing the beauty, talent, and strength of our Filipino troop, Miss Reunite OFW Survivor Malaysia 2025. Kaya let's us support our candidates and cheer for them as the shine of the state. Once again, welcome to our 7th anniversary celebration and Miss Reunite OFW Survivor 2025. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Okay, once again, that's our very own Ma'am Rhoda Raca. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Ayan, mga para yata nandito. Si Mercy in the group, manager ng UNMPD yan. Ano na para? Sabi ko na nga eh. Marbe. Okay, sina Rachel, ayan ang dagil of the yakap ng magulang. At marami pang iba sa mga guests natin. Welcome to each and every one of you. But anyway, kumain na.
Kay Ma'am and of Ma'am Rosana Siray. Nandito siya po ngayon sa aking event. Ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng group na dumalo. Our head or umbrella ng TIPCOM leaders, Sir Julius of UNIFIL, and to all UNIFIL officers na andito, judge, judges, tabulators, sponsors, visitors, all VIPs, and especially to the Fingers of Unity.
MW Survivor Malaysia. Okay. Wala pa si Miss Marjorie, nawawala yung ating andun pa sa na traffic. Oh, ayan. Okay, once again, ladies and gentlemen, our officers, and thank you once again, Sir Julius, sa pagpe-present. Okay, thank you so much. TESDA. Hoy, may mga training center dito. Meron din kami. Anyway, so that's it. From Ma'am Rosana, thank you so much. At marami.
Isang magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Michelle Villarreal, 46 years old. Nagmula as Vice Runner of the Philippines, Panayan City. Ay naniniwala na ang tunay na kagandahan ay hindi nakikita sa panlabas ng ayuhan. Alam niyo ba kung ano? Sapagkat nakatayo na yung ano pa.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Maria Justin Abergam from Queen City of the South, Cebu City!
Yan. Candidate number 1 is okay. That's our last. Thank you so